Can I get a photo of you? Okay, could you tell us who are you wearing? 1 second. Yeah, we're gonna get a video. Okay, ready? So who are you wearing today? I'm wearing Falcon Shane. Oh my god, Thank you. Hi, so I'm from the Femina page. Love it. Thank you so much.
Bye.
I'm just here because I love Femina and I love beauty. So I expect a lot of amazing beauty tips tonight. And of course, everyone knows that I love beauty and wellness. And I just started my own website as well called evelynsecrets.com. So check it out if you want to know all my secrets.
What you wearing?
I'm wearing Fagini and Shane.
Stand here for the vision. Stand here for the vision.
I think I can twirl with this little something, yeah? Works? Yeah. Tell me when to go. One, go. Oh, no. Check that out. ठीक है? Hi. I'm from the Femina.
Well, I think, Femina Nykaa Beauty Awards है, so obviously this is going to be the best of the beauty in India. And I think looking forward to see who are the winners because every girl is a bit of a beauty junkie and I think I'm much more than that. I love collecting different kinds of beauty products. I love especially Indian beauty products and old recipes that Indian grandmothers and mothers have passed on to us. So yeah, I think it's going to be a fun-filled night full of style, humor and of course beauty. Thanks. Actually, this is my take on modern Indian. It's a Banarsi sari that was passed on by my husband's dadi to his mother and then she gave it to me. And I think, in today's day and age, we are all about fast food, fast fashion. We don't think about, we wear something 3 times and then we don't wear it again. So in that sense, heirloom saris are something that are so beautiful and more girls should wear them and I would like to wear more of them. So yeah, try to modernize it. The blouse is Payal Khanwala and this is again heirloom jewelry that I've recreated.
And stand here for the moon.
Hello,
Actually, I'll pose for you guys. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. So I'm from the Nike Femina social media team, sorry. And it's been a shock. That was sweet. And I have a question for you. अच्छा, okay.
Well, I'm looking forward to see, which are going to be the brands who are going to win the awards, because then you kind of know which ones you should kind of like try out. So and I'm really excited to just be here and see that, because I love everything that has to do with beauty. Sorry? Favorite designer? Well, I love Manish Malhotra. Yes. I think it's very smart. Sorry? This is Archana Kochar. Yeah. You like it? You like it?
Yeah, left corner, sir, left corner. No, left corner, sir. Left corner, left corner. Sir, left corner, please. Try that, sir. Try that.
Yes, when I was growing up, it used to be Body Shop. I still use a few Body Shop products. Do I have one single favorite beauty brand? Something happened. No, something happened. You want to take it again?
Yeah. So you're just sure. Is there any favorite product? Which is lovely. Thank you. So in 3, 2, 1, go.
Left corner here. Left corner. Ma'am, here. Yes, center. Again, left corner, please, ma'am, here. Ma'am, here. Straight, ma'am. Ma'am, left corner, left corner. Ma'am, left corner, left corner. Ma'am, just flow here. Ma'am, here, straight. Ma'am, here. Hello, left corner. Look center. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, left corner, here. Left, left, left.
Yes. मैं फर्स्ट टाइम अटेंड कर रही हूँ ये अवार्ड्स। बहुत सारी खूबसूरती देखने मिलेगी और ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स है तो आई एम प्री श्योर कि बहुत सारे लोग जो ब्यूटी से एसोसिएटेड होते हैं उनको अवार्ड्स दिए जाएंगे, पीपल हु रियली आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर हाउ वी लुक। So it's a great thing, and I'm pretty excited to be here. Like, it's for the first time, so yeah, I'm very excited. Yes, I'm not a regular reader of Femina magazine, but I do, like, on my flights I read a lot of magazines, and Femina is one magazine which really connects you to the industry which I am connected to, and it gives a lot of different tips on relationships plus women, men, a lot of things. देखिए, हमारी जो जनरेशन है तभी की अभी की जो भी है वो एवोल्यूशन पे डिपेंड करती है, और वही चलते आ रहा है. लाइक वी आर जस्ट गेटिंग बेटर एंड बेटर विद द टाइम, एंड लेट्स नॉट कंपेयर yesteryear actresses. They were like, they are legends, so we are nowhere close to where they were or what they are. So we are just trying to be what they are, and like in our own way, maybe 10%. But no, I don't think वो legends है, उनको कोई touch नहीं कर सकता.
टारगेट बनते हैं एक्सट्रीम रिलीजियस पर्सन, जिस तरह आसाम में नाहिद इंडियन आइडल विनर रह चुकी है, उन्हें आसाम में फतवे जारी कर दिए गए. वहाँ के मौलाना जो भी हैं, आपका क्या रिएक्शन है? हमेशा बॉलीवुड को ही क्यों टारगेट किया जाता है?
आई मीन, ये तो एक रिलीजियस वाली बात हो गई. रिलीजन के ऊपर बहुत सारे लोगों की, मानो तो बहुत कुछ है, ना मानो तो कुछ नहीं है. इसलिए कुछ लोग होते हैं जो अपने रिलीजन को पूरी तरह से फॉलो करते हैं, और वो चाहते हैं कि जो उनकी जो कौम हो वो भी उसी को फॉलो करते हैं. पर एज आई सेड, मानो तो सब कुछ है, ना मानो तो कुछ भी नहीं है. आई मीन, धर्म और रिलीजन की बात की जाए तो सबसे बड़ा धर्म जो है वो इंसानियत का है, और उसको ही फॉलो कर ले तो बहुत बड़ी बात है.
So I'm in India after very long. I've been in US for a while. I've been busy in the campaign. So it's a nice evening. Femina is a premier magazine. It's Times of India, like Miss India. It brings back memories. So I'm here to have a good time. I think you call something beautiful when something touches your heart, or something that pleases you. It could be a face, it could be a thought, it could be an emotion, a gesture. So anything that touches your heart is beautiful. अभी फिल्म से थोड़ा लाइन अलग हो गई है, पॉलिटिक्स में हो गई है. So that's what I'm working on. Films will happen, but not right now.
Let me just finish. Yeah? Are we good? Now, can you tell me what you are wearing? Yes, I'm wearing That's amazing. Thank you. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. I'm wearing Dolly J and Jet Gems. So very excited to be here. It's the first time that I'm coming for the awards, the beauty awards. And in a way, because I feel like my journey started with Femina Miss India, so I'm happy to be here. Designer in Bollywood? I mean, depends. I think Sabyasachi and Manish Malhotra and Gaurav Gupta, Shantanu Nikhil, I love their work. Not yet, but I will make an Hindi announcement soon. But till then, I'm doing a Telugu film with Allu Arjun. Yeah.
लेफ्ट कॉर्नर प्लीज। अमिता जी यहाँ पे अमिता जी
Hi. So we are from Famna Social Media team and I was wondering if you could please yeah, can you please come again? What do you want me to do? You want me to reach out to yeah,
मैम राइट है ऑन द लेफ्ट मैम हियर मैम हियर राइट कॉर्नर मैम लेफ्ट कॉर्नर मैम लेफ्ट कॉर्नर मैम हियर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर
Can you tell us who you're wearing today?
Hello. Oh, Nika. Yeah. इस बार मैं जज के हैसियत से आई हूँ और पूरा प्रोसेस कि बहुत ही रिगरस प्रोसेस रहा चूजिंग में और सिलेक्शन में और एक्चुअली मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट्स को सिलेक्ट करने के बाद मैंने काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स पे अपने हाथ भी मारे तो आई स्टोल क्वाइट अ फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स तो आई रियली एंजॉयड इट आई थिंक इट्स अ फन प्रोसेस एंड it's going to be fun watching this. I think मेरे लिए अंदरूनी खूबसूरती ज़्यादा मायने रखता है and beauty truly is skin deep and I really believe in that but I think अब हम कलयुग में रह रहे हैं तो I would be very stupid to just say ओ अंदर से बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है अब बाहर से अगर ख़राब लग रही है तो अभी हम क्या करें तो उसे और खूबसूरत बनाने के लिए and I think to make our lives more simpler and easier क्योंकि बहुत पोल्यूशन है हम आम तौर पे वी आर नॉट लिविंग द लाइव्स दैट वी शुड बी लिविंग हम हिमालयस पर तो रह नहीं रहे हैं और मतलब स्ट्रेस फ्री लाइव्स तो जी नहीं रहे हैं तो वी हैव टू ऑब्वियसली प्रिजर्व आवर स्किन एंड प्रिजर्व मैं ऐसे बोल रही हूँ जैसे पता नहीं वी नीड टू लाइक ममीफाई आवर स्किन बट नो we obviously have to take care of our skin and there are a lot of beauty products today that really help us look better, you know. Improvise the dark circles, take away the puffiness, there are anti-aging creams but even saying that I think less is more, you should not overdo it. Definitely, and I just think that you know even today there are a lot of people who are naturally beautiful, and some are conventionally beautiful, some are beautiful because their personalities are beautiful. So I think beauty truly is also something that varies from person to person.
कोई रिएक्शन नहीं है मेरा कोई रिएक्शन नहीं है इस फेमिना ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स के साथ उसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है, तो मैं कोई आंसर नहीं दूंगी। जी बेस्ट ड्रेस्ड एक्टर इन बॉलीवुड बहुत सारे हैं यार आजकल तो। आई थिंक मोर देन द एक्टर्स इट्स द स्टाइलिस्ट दैट शुड बी गेटिंग क्रेडिट because I think they also put in a lot of effort, so it would be very unfair on my part to just select one or two, but I think style for me is something that is innate. It's not something that comes with clothes. So there are a lot of beautiful people out there. Rekha ji, there's Deepika. I think they really carry themselves very beautifully. Nice. Chalo.
Ready? And let's go.
Yes. How are you? खूबसूरती किसके लिए मायने नहीं रखती है? खूबसूरती सबके लिए मायने रखती है. आई थिंक एवरीबडी वांट्स टू बी ब्यूटीफुल एंड एवरीवन इज़ ब्यूटीफुल. वी आर ऑल ब्लेस्ड इन डिफरेंट वेज. सो मेरे लिए बाहरी खूबसूरती के साथ साथ अंदरूनी खूबसूरती भी मायने रखती है. लगता नहीं है आपको? जी बिल्कुल मदद करता है. जब आप अंदर से पीसफुल हैं, खुश हैं, तो वो बाहर नज़र आता है. या वेल हमारा कल सीज़न फिनाले है. माया का फर्स्ट सीज़न एंड हो रहा है, तो आई एम अ लिटिल सैड, लिटिल what do you say? There's so many emotions, but I just want to thank everybody for loving the series like anything and boosting our confidence and liking my work. Thank you.
I think मेरे लिए definitely बहुत मायने रखती है. I am someone who loves cosmetics, so you know when
something like this comes up, I really feel very nice because I'm always excited to try new things, to know what's in the market, because we keep going to the red carpets and we want to try different and new looks. So I think that's the reason I'm really happy to be a part of this, to know who all are winning. Of course, I think हर किसी को अच्छी फीलिंग आती है if people compliment you, और अगर अच्छा compliment हो तो definitely बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and I feel nice, yeah. Well, definitely something in pipeline, but I will tell you soon, maybe not in Hindi language, but yeah. Thank you. Hi.
I think to begin with, beauty is inside. It's what you feel inside. Is how you see yourself is how people will see you. How you conceive yourself is how people conceive you. So I think beauty is a lot here, but I feel also the first impression is very important. You get to know a person how they are really in a while. But for the first impression, yeah, Femina Beauty Awards is all about that. I'm sorry? Well, talent is more important, but it's all, I think, like I said, beauty is all about how you conceive yourself, how you see yourself, and it's also about how you know your strengths and your weaknesses. You celebrate your weaknesses, and you enjoy your strengths. You enjoy. But I think beauty is also a lot more about gratitude, and that's one thing I started doing every day. Is I get up in the morning, I thank God for however way I am. It doesn't matter. Sometimes I get up with bad hair, sometimes I get up with pimples on my face, sometimes I get up with like a lot of work, and there are times that you don't have work, there are times it's, you know, there are times you feel really happy, there are times you get up in the morning, you're not feeling that good, you're low, you're depressed, but what's really important is that the fact that I have this body, and God's been really kind, and there are 100 million things that I can be happy about. So that's about it.
So on the left corner, please. Ready here. Ready here. The left corner here. Ready left corner. Ready. Ready here.
Can we get a picture for social media? Sure.
Divya. Hi.
Beauty is everything, यार. ऐसे कैसे पूछो? Beauty internally, externally, everything is about beauty, and I think the whole effort for every individual here is to make the world look beautiful. और उसके लिए internally, externally दोनों beautiful होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I think in general the effort towards being beauty and to felicitate beauty is a wonderful thing. A real beauty in a woman is her honesty. I mean, not for a woman, for a man also. It's as good as the honesty is. So I think it's not about the external thing, but it's also the amalgamation of internal and external beauty. I'm in no position to judge, first of all, any woman because I think women are beautiful creatures and God has made them for us, and we should be eternally thankful to the universe for them. But I think, as I said, externally, if it's a judging show, then obviously I'll have to look at her talent, her external beauty, of course, first, and then if I communicate with her, it will be judged by the answer and the personality she has. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है यार. In fact, the feeling is great when you are working in a film very hard and the unit is working very hard as well, and you get applause for the work that you have done and hard work. It's a great feeling. Yes, there's another film called Umeed, which will start doing the International Film Festival round. Plus, I am trying my luck in South also. I'm doing a very big film in South with a superstar there. So, fingers crossed, yeah. Thanks.
Well, one of the first magazines I ever shot for when I first came to India was Femina, and it was one of the biggest moments for me at that time. And it still is. It's still a prestige to be associated with the magazine. They're amazing, and they're like for every girl across all fields. So it's a great magazine. Real greatness? The real greatness of a woman, I think, is her kindness. That's all. I'm wearing a dress. I have to ask my stylist. So, Hassan Hijazi, Lebanese designer. Well, I actually have a restaurant in Sri Lanka as well, and for me, it's my passion actually is to feed people and also to entertain people. And you know, my best friend actually owns 2 restaurants, so we decided to do a restaurant together. And it's my way of just being able to, I think, like host people and give them food. And I'm quite a foodie myself, so.
Ma'am, what is the status of it?
Huh? Reload actually has a release date on the 25th of August. We've wrapped up shoot, so we're just waiting now for the film to release. Yeah, I'm actually currently shooting for Drive with Sushant and Tarun Mansukhani, and post that I'll head for Judwa 2 with Varun. No, nothing has been confirmed as yet actually, so no word on that. Actually, I think I'm going to be shooting for Drive and Judwa, so I'm not sure if the dates will work. Yeah. Thank you. This is the first time I am attending the film. Yes. I am a regular reader of the magazine, and I just did a shoot with them, and their editor Sandeepan, who was very sweet. I have to say that the magazine presents real women, real beauty. So I think it's very inspirational for women to see real women.
You are part of the film industry. How do you think the beauty and talent matter for making success? Beauty matters or doesn't talent?
I would like to think that both matter. I would like to believe that. I would like to. I also believe that nowadays everybody looks beautiful because it's very easy to look pretty, and if you don't, there are a lot of ways to make yourself look externally beautiful. But I think at the end of the day, I would like to believe talent plays a very crucial. I'm actually doing a lot of films, but I'm a little superstitious. I feel I should start the film or producer should announce it, like I did with Commando as well. Because when I don't talk about it and they announce it, then the film becomes a very big hit. So I think I should wait. I did a film called Chanam in Telugu, which is being remade in 5 languages actually. It's been remade in Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam and Hindi. But I think let the film start, like I said, and I don't want to just say I'm doing this and I'm doing that. Chanam was one of the toughest roles I've done till now, and talent was very much required for that role. So I hope I get more roles like that. Thank you. Thank you.
Can I get a photo first? Lovely. So is there something fun you can do for us from Libra? I don't think you have told your dress.
Avoidable, I think we should.
I agree. So maybe could you give us glorious the camera? Ready? 2, 3, go. Thank you.
Thank you.
tell me. No, not at all. It's not the first time. It's always beautiful to be here. We have one more opportunity to be our beautiful best, like every other day. And I mean, you don't have much to say and enough to say rather about Femina. Of course, we all know it's. I won't say diamonds are a girl's best friend. Femina is. But yeah. So, and of course, it's really amazing to be here. Nykaa this time is associated with Femina and bringing all of us the beautiful beauty awards, and I'm very excited. It's a beautiful evening. Well, currently I don't have very good news for you, but in due course of time, of course, very soon I will. I'm wearing this beautiful outfit by Sumant Chauhan. You can see. And it's one of my favorite colors. It's a white. I love white. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, so I'm from Femina social media team. Can you post for Nykaa social media, please?
Can I what?
Just right here. Thank you. Can you do a cute boomerang for us?
Sure. What should I do? Twirl?
Yeah, do you want to twirl?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, cute. Thank you.
Hi. It's the first time I'm coming, yes. But I've always had a great association with Femina, and we've worked together many times in the past. So I'm very happy to be here, especially for the Femina team. And looking forward. I think it's a great magazine to keep up with what's going on, in terms of fashion, beauty, lifestyle. It's got like a combination of everything, true stories. So yeah, it's a great read, and I think you guys are bi-monthly, So yeah, that's what makes it even more fun. I think talent is more important, but I guess, it's also a combination of all sorts of things, including your personality and, fashion, beauty, personality, talent, all put together, makes the package. Yes, I'm currently working on Lucknow Central, so that's what's keeping me busy. In fact, I'm off to Lucknow in a few days for the last schedule. So yeah, looking forward. Thank you.
Femina social media team. And I was wondering if you can Hi, can you?
Hello.
I hope I get an award. I'm very happy to be here. I usually don't like to answer the question before I actually get an award, because if I don't, then you'll ask me this question, "Aapne to bola tha award mil raha hai." So I hope I win an award. I'm really happy to be here. I'm happy to participate with Femina. It's a really nice award, and I hope it's going to be a fun evening. Yeah. So I'm dressed by Anisha. She usually dresses me. She did all my promotions for Rangoon and stuff. So she's dressed me again tonight. Yeah. That's exactly where I am right now. I am aware that there has been some disruption that has happened. I'm aware that a certain amount of costumes have got burnt. I'm aware everybody is safe and nobody's been harmed. I'm aware that the shooting has wrapped up and the team is coming back. What I'm not aware of is who has done it. So I don't really think I can comment on who has done it, and obviously the reaction will depend on that. But it is unfortunate that something like this has happened for the second time. And as soon as I guess there is a little more clarity, one will be able to give a slightly more elaborate comment, and I will also, it'll also need to be defined by the production how they want to respond to this. But I'm aware that they're going to be filing an FIR. That's something that I heard and I was told. So I'm guessing something like that will happen. I don't think so. I don't think any of the principal actors were on set.
Shahid, I want to know why the photo celebrity started on the night, like Assam mein jo.
Why do you want to know? I want to know this. I am the actor.
मतलब नाहिद आफरीन के साथ जो हुआ
I
है,
have no idea what you're talking about. Sorry.
उसके नाम पे फतवा जो जारी
I don't know what you're talking about. Well, first of all, I think what Meera spoke, she started the conversation by saying that these are my personal comments. I don't think she made a direct comment in anybody or any category of women, so to say. I think she was talking from a very personal standpoint. And I think Meera is speaking for a section of women who really aren't being represented, you know. There are times where those women feel like they should not be celebrated, or they should not, women, and by that I mean women who might not be doing a job, women who might choose to be at home, have a baby and take care of that baby, and consider that something important enough to do. At a certain stage in your life, at a different stage in your life, you might choose to do something else. Like I took 5 months off when I was having Nisha because I felt it was important for me to be with my wife and my child. You know, so that's a choice that you make out of a certain sense of independence. And I think there are very few people who are actually showing any kind of appreciation towards these women. I don't think what a mother does for a child is something that should not be appreciated. They should feel empowered and they should feel self-assured about the fact that they are extremely important, and what they do is as important as any other job. I personally feel that I might be today the one who goes to work between me and Meera as husband and wife, but I think what she's doing for Misha is far more important and far more relevant. I really wish I could, but between the two of us, one of us has to go to work, so I happen to be that person. So I think she was speaking from a very positive space. I do understand that everybody has a strong point of view and people can get hurt about things, but I think we're in a time where everybody's getting hurt about everything. So I honestly don't think it makes any sense to try and keep everybody happy. We're also in a time where if anybody who's important or is being given importance says something, a lot of people want to gain importance by saying something against them. So we just live in that kind of a time. I personally went through her entire interview. In fact, I even retweeted it because I felt what she's saying is really relevant. All she's saying is that women should have the right to choose. You want to go to work, men should respect that. You want to stay at home and take care of a child, or you want to stay at home and be a housewife, men should learn to respect housewives as well. Why should only be people who are going and earning money be given respect? There are so many areas which are equally important. I think a home runs only when all those areas are balanced out. And I think that's what she was trying to say. She used the word balance a lot. She always said, I think she spoke about the fact that men and women shouldn't be against each other, they should be working with each other. I think she spoke very clearly about the fact that she has complete respect for people and the choices that they make, but her choice is to stay at home and take care of the baby. So I'm very proud of what she said, and I think she did a great job. And I guess this is what it means to be a celebrity. Now she'll have to get used to a little bit of criticism here and there. She's a strong girl. She takes it with a pinch of salt. So I think she'll be good. Thank you. क्या नहीं मिला था? मैं क्या नया करूँ?
Shahid, can you pose for Nykaa, please?
What do you want me to say?
Nykaa, can you pose for Nykaa?
Pose for Nykaa. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You look amazing.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
गाइस, मुझे कोई पॉलिटिक्स के ऊपर सवाल ही नहीं पूछना है, ओके? मैं अभी बता रही हूँ। नहीं, कुछ नहीं पूछने का है। फिल्मी गॉसिप पूछो। थैंक यू। आई एम वेयरिंग मनीष मल्होत्रा, द अमेजिंग मनीष मल्होत्रा का गाउन एंड स्टाइल्ड बाय माय फ्रेंड एंड स्टाइलिस्ट दिव्या सैनी। What about what? I want to say कि well you know I think कि ये जो ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स हैं फेमिना के, ये डिसाइड करते हैं कि हम, मेरे जैसी लड़कियाँ, क्या प्रोडक्ट इस्तेमाल करने वाली हैं इस साल, इसलिए ये हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। और आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू सीइंग कि अभी तक जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ, क्या वो डिड इट मेक द कट और आगे क्या इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए। सेंसर के बारे में क्या बोलूँ, अभी सेंसर एक भगवान जी है जो प्रसाद बांटते रहते हैं, तो हमारी फिल्म को भी अच्छा सा मीठा मीठा प्रसाद दिया उन्होंने, अभी खा रहे हैं हम उसको, तो क्या बोलूँ मैं। आई मीन ऑनेस्टली आई थिंक कि ब्यूटी एक्चुअली लाइज इन द आइज ऑफ द बिहोल्डर। मुझे लगता है कि ब्यूटी का कोई एक कॉन्सेप्ट हो ही नहीं सकता है, एंड इसलिए आई थिंक इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। यार, आपकी अगर शक्ल बेसिकली ठीक ठाक है, बाकी काम स्टाइलिंग और मेकअप कर लेगा, ज़्यादा वरी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आई थिंक दैट एक तो मैं इंसानों को जज करना नहीं पसंद करती, मैं प्रोडक्ट्स को जज करती, एंड आई थिंक कि जो प्रोडक्ट जिसकी यूजेबिलिटी अच्छी है, जो अच्छे तरीके से रिस्पॉन्स दे रही है अपने फेस को, स्किन को, एंड जो ड्यूरेबल है, आई थिंक दैट वुड बी माई कैटेगरी फॉर विनिंग।
हमेशा बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी को टारगेट किया जाता है, लाइक जो अभी आसाम में आहिर आफरीन के साथ जो फतवा जारी किए गए हैं 46 फतवे, जो इंडियन आइडल की विनर रह चुकी हैं 2015 में। आपका क्या कहना है, पॉलिटिशियन हो या एक्सपीरियंस रिलीजन कास्ट के पर्सन हो, वो सब बॉलीवुड को ही क्यों टारगेट करते हैं?
आई थिंक कि बॉलीवुड के जो कलाकार हैं, जो निर्देशक निर्माता हैं, हम लोग वनरेबल हैं, हम लोग सॉफ्ट टारगेट हैं, और इसलिए आपने देखा है कि पिछले 2 साल या 2.5 साल में लगातार, चाहे वो आज जो हुआ नाहिद, क्या नाम है, नाहिद के साथ, या जो जायरा के साथ हुआ, या जो आमिर खान साहब के साथ हुआ, या शाहरुख सर के साथ जो हुआ, या संजय लीला बंसाली के साथ, उनका कल सेट पे आग लगा दी गई अपेरेंटली, उनको मार पिटाई हुई उनके साथ, उनके सेट के ऊपर। आई थिंक कि 2 चीज़ें, एक तो हमारे देश में बहुत ज़्यादा ये कल्चर गुंडई का बढ़ रहा है और कोई रोक नहीं है उस पर, ऐसा लग रहा है, और दूसरा कि मुझे लगता है कि बॉलीवुड ने बहुत सालों तक बहुत चुप रहा है, हमें इतना चुप नहीं रहना चाहिए था। एंड आई थिंक अब वक्त आ गया है कि बॉलीवुड को एक आवाज़ करके ज़रा प्रोटेस्ट करना चाहिए इसके खिलाफ, क्योंकि आई थिंक इट्स अ रिडिकुलस सिचुएशन एंड वेरी शेमफुल।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू। व्हेन आई गो टू जेल ना, कम एंड विजिट मी। हाँ,
Can you